Filing your taxes is not mandatory for most people living in Germany. I know. Filing your taxes is still good for you. I mean, think about it. Why would the government make a tax declaration voluntary for its citizens? Because they're saving money with it, right? And that's exactly what's happening here in Germany. 9 out of 10 people that file their taxes get on average 1,000 euros back. And that's why the government is completely fine with you not filing your taxes and waiving on your 1,000 bucks. So file your taxes and get the taxes that you paid back. It's your money. Try to get it back. And how do you do that? 3 options. Option 1 is to use one of these do-it-yourself tax softwares. There's also a software from Finanzamt directly called Elster. This one is completely free, but as you can imagine, if Finanzamt built it itself, super complicated to use. So you might want to use one of these apps from private companies that cost a little bit of money, usually 30 euros for one tax declaration, and they have a better interface. Some of these apps are even available in English. Let us know if you would like to see a review by us of the most popular options. Challenge I'm seeing here is that you don't know what you don't know. So you might be leaving a lot of money on the table because you're not an expert when it comes to German taxation. Option 2 is the tax association Lohnsteuerhilfeverein in German. They might be pretty good if you're an employee. As Lohn translates to salary, they are only helping you as an employee, not if you are self-employed or a business owner. They will file your taxes a lot more convenient and probably more professional than you could yourself, but they're costing a little more money as well. Check the website of your local Lohnsteuerhilfeverein if you want to see their rates. And check how long their waiting list is. Usually it's pretty long. That's what she said. Option 3 is the professional tax advisor. If you find someone who is good and not just an overpaid accountant, a tax advisor will get you the most tax money back possible. This option will also cost the most money, so it's only worth it if your case is complicated and you can potentially get a lot of money back from Finanzamt. When searching for a tax advisor, make sure to choose someone who is paid by German law and not by the hour, because then you will know exactly upfront how much you'll pay for your tax declaration.